You mean the speech?
Alright.
The voice or the approximation of whatever the creature is.
Pause the Star Trek. This is not going to be the best quality video I've ever made. It looks like crap. But anyway, I need to back up the data on this HP Pavilion Slimline. I imagine this video will be much like my eMachine video because it's a Slimline. So anyway, lovely HP. That's sarcasm. I hate HPs. But all these Slimlines are the same. You got to take the front off. A couple of little plastic clips. Just be gentle because they got to go back on later. Be careful if there's any wires attached to this. You'll have to detach the wires. This one did not have any. And then the hard drive is underneath the CD. This is normally a really simple procedure, but being a Slimline complicates it. Are there no screws? Oh man, somebody put some thought into this. Oh, I'm excited now. Do I even have to pull these wires out? Oh man, that's kind of awesome. Somebody put some thought into this ahead of time. Nice. Alright, so this video does have a point. I have not made such a video before. So as you do that, make sure your wires have enough space. But how does the hard drive come out? That's the next question. There seems to be a little metal tab over here. Ah, yes. See if I can show that to you. This screw needs to clear this metal thing here. So, push this metal tab. And that allows the hard drive to just rise up out of its current position. And of course, take your SATA cables off. And there you go. So that's how you take the hard drive out of an HP Slimline or any similar Slimline. If you'll notice, the screws are in here. They're in pretty tight, actually. I thought they'd be loose. So the screws are what basically slide into those grooves. And then the one, this one I guess, was locked in by that piece of metal. So yeah. That would be the front of it. I don't know what the model number is, it just says HP Slimline. Anyway, there's another useless video that'll probably get 1,000 views. Good luck, everybody.